Komisi Benta jong ka jingtrang bandang kentiu shushu hakaliang ka pynmih bording ka sorkar jela men haka absantri grisau klai soi ka memorandum of agreement na kabenta ka sanpho megawatt wa umiam stage 1 but ka shispa megawatt wa umiam stage 2 hydroelectric project but ka NEEPCO hakani jinga soi ka memorandum of agreement yaki kot kisla na kaliang jong ka sorkar kla soi to Didi Shira joint secretary ka tan bording haka jingdon lang rengkan pa menteri sorkar ba pe yak tan bording uba preston tensong u Pravin Bakshi commissioner and secretary ka tan bording kat ba na kaliang jong NEEPCO la lam khamat do Anil Kumar director personal haka jingdon lang u B Mishra director finance but u A Chaudhry u bade corporate planning but kiwe die yakaba la penlong hapai mun hotel na kaliang u Anil Kumar director personal jong ka NEEPCO ulapan pa yung jing ay kublay bat jing songu yung sembot matirang ba kajala bat yak sorkar Meghalaya hakani kasi badon kam bat ulakularu baka NEEPCO kala ban penolong na kabenta kini project kibedang sudap penyesoy bat banrabru baka NEEPCO kayo aru yak jing kerjaan bapura nak suar kami halor kani kabenta habakran hakani basoy yak memorandum of agreement uba persatuan tensong ulapan pa yak jingmen hakabai de bat kakam kabakrau yak kabalala ban penolong nak kabenta ban pynkhlaiñ yak kam bording bat NEEPCO hapo kadong kathan chatai lamingi.
The agreement that we signed this evening with NEEPCO, I would like to just remind all of us. The total megawatt that we have signed till this evening is 235, right? 235. Umiam stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. And I'm happy to inform you that the agreement signed way back in 2019, stage 3, is right now in the final stage, right? It is now in the final stage. And I'm sure NEEPCO will immediately start the implementation process. And again, the other two projects tonight, 50 megawatt and 100 megawatts. State government is with you all. Different connected agencies, department, as far as state government is concerned, I assure you that we are there to make sure this project is seen at the earliest possible. The challenges that we have from government to government till today in the state of Meghalaya is about the issue of power generation. Until today, we are able from the state government to generate our own power, not even 350 megawatt. And the requirement that we need is more than 650 megawatt, which is more or less, we have a huge deficit of 50%.